Okay, I'm going to apply this Corvette America leather vinyl and hard plastic finisher on the steering wheel and see if I can't make it the same color. So I got most everything, well, I got everything taped off, so including the ignition switch, and pretty sure, nope, I got to cover that up. But anyway, I'm going to get to work here after I fix that ignition switch there. All right. See how this works. It says to lightly mist it. Apply a bunch of different coats. You don't want it to run. All right, let's let it set for a while. All right, second coat. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of coats going on this thing just by looking at this paint. right, it's 2. All right. Applying a little bit more generous coat here. Yeah, I took so much. I took the paint on the base of it. I took almost all the paint off, and I didn't take all the paint off up here. But you can see some of the dark shades is still outstanding. So hopefully that stuff will get in there. There we go. Hopefully that stuff will set, cover that up. I mean, it already looks tons better, but you know, it's got to look better than this. All right, well, let's set again. Okay, I took these also. They were almost all of them black or silver because of the metal or the plastic or primer. I don't know. I think they're some of them. I guess they're metal. I don't know. They're looking good. Put another coat on this bad boy. I'm ready to turn this thing over, I think. I'm almost got all that black stuff out of there. The under, you know, stuff that, where I sanded it down to the stinking primer. I know, I mean, you're not gonna see this really a whole lot, but to me it matters. If my buddy tells me I got OCD. I'm gonna empty this can on all this stuff. I want it to look good. All right, I think this is like coat number 6. I just want to get that bottom, so I turned it over. I don't want that to run. I put it on a little too heavy there. Ooh, close. Woo. All right, I'll wait a little bit longer. All right, I think I'm done. So, these look pretty good. They had, this one had some white spots on it, but I got it. I don't know what it was, but yeah, all that. So this is the mechanism for the telescopic wheel. And so here, looks good. Looks a lot better than it did. Almost perfect. See that? Those dark lines are gone. So get better light and we'll be able to check it out a lot better. But that's it. I think I'm done. Just gonna let it cure or dry, whatever you want to call it, and then put it together.